Alright, now we're taking a ride in a 1996 Porsche 993 Cabriolet. These are real collectible right now. I think they're going to stay collectible. It's the last of the air and oil cooled 911s. It's a 3.6 liter.
Yeah, they're fun.
287 horsepower. It's kind of what the old turbos used to have, so without turbo lag. 6-speed transmission. This one's got a new clutch and a rebuilt transmission, which is nice. Polar silver with black leather. It's got a power top. They came pretty standard. This is a 2-wheel drive version, not a 4, but it's got an upgraded Alpine stereo CD player in it. Air conditioning, of course, which is nice. Power seats.
Yep, equipped like a nice luxury car.
Yep.
Luxury sports car.
This is when they got a little bit more comfortable these years. Got coilover suspension, speed sensitive power steering, airbags, a little bit more of a daily driver. The only thing you're missing is a cup holder, but you can buy aftermarket one.
Oh man.
They sell them.
Yeah, I think they plug into the cigarette lighter or something.
Yep. And they got some go between the seats now too. Nice driving car, really reliable. This one's got under 100K on it. Got a couple 100,000 more miles to go if you like them.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Bulletproof cars.
Here we come for some pictures and some more video. Here's one of those famous air and oil cooled 911s. This is a 1996 993 Cabriolet. It's a version of the 911 series. It's a 2-wheel drive, 6-speed, manual transmission. These are have a 3.6 liter engine, 287 horsepower, fuel injected. They have 4-wheel power disc brakes, anti-lock as well. Power top. It's got a nice boot that covers the top there. Sort of a back seat. Little excuse for the insurance company. It's a 4-seater, 6-cylinder, right? Speed sensitive power steering. This one's got nice leather interior. The driver's seat pad was redone, so a little bit of wear difference there. You can dye the rest of the interior or redo the rest of the interior with leather if you'd like, but it still looks good. No rips or tears. The dashboard's nice. 97,500 miles. Not bad for a car of this vintage. 22 years old. It's got the 17-inch cup wheels on there. This one had the license plate. They had taken it off and put those plugs in there. You can put a plate back on so you don't get a ticket, but it'd look a little better without them. Fun car to drive. Made for the highway, made for reliability. They go around corners. Awesome. They're a lot of fun to drive. Nice polar silver Carrera cab. Here's the power plant in the 96 Carrera. As I mentioned before, 3.6 liter, 287 horsepower. This is air conditioned. It's got the new style Freon. Nice little car. Start it up for you. These are air and oil cooled. They require synthetic fluids. They'll go a few 100,000 miles. They're amazing engine, the flat 6. Nice sounding car too. If you want to come see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, City of Simi Valley. You can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary, and our number is 818-591-1313. We'd be happy to show you the car in person. Thanks for watching.